What's up everybody? Today is an exciting day because I got the shoe that I've been looking at for a while and it finally arrived. Got a really good deal on it. As you guys know, Rick Owens has been collaborating with Adidas for the past, I want to say, 8 years or so. And the thing about Adidas that I've read is that Adidas has been open to designers who are not interested in sports, who are not performance-based designers. Adidas has allowed them to collaborate and work with their products to create their own personal lines. And the first person to do that was Yohji Yamamoto, and he went to Nike. He asked Nike, he proposed to them, he said, I think sportswear is the future. Let's collaborate. I have a collection that I want to make for you guys. Nike turned them down and said, hey, we're not interested in that. We'd rather do performance clothes. And so Yohji signed with Adidas. Now Y3, if you guys don't know, is a pretty powerful brand. Rick Owens ended up collaborating with Adidas. Jeremy Scott is another notable one, and of course Kanye West. So there's a little history on that. Here's the first look at the shoe. It comes with extended leather tongue, as you can see here. It's running shoes. They stop right here, or like near the last lace, the lace hole. These, however, extend maybe what, 2 inches past that, which is interesting. It comes with a padded, really well padded, feels like memory foam almost in the collar. The laces are waxed, which once again in my other video I mentioned how they almost look like leather. The material that this shoe is composed of is this really soft, feels almost like boot leather that's used on this toe box here. Has a stitch panel here for more, I guess, durability and styling. Right here you got suede, which has, if you look closely, it has 3 stripes right here that are perforated. Really, it's a real subtle touch of branding. On the other side too, you've got the 3 stripes here. A little bit of leather paneling in the back, as you can see, and a stripe of suede going down the middle here. The defining characteristic of this shoe would have to be the sole. And I mean, this thing is huge. You can even see it from an overhead view like this. There's another look at the sole here. There's a gap right here where there's no rubber. It says Adidas in the middle, if you can see. The sole has these ridges here. If you can hear that. There's multiple ridges running down. So the actual ridges feel like solid rubber, real sturdy, just like his other shoes, like the Ramones he has or the Geo Baskets. However, this, I guess what you would call the midsole here, definitely is more flexible. It's probably made out of some type of foam, more comfortable. So these are the Adidas Rick Owens Tech Runners.